We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2019 Harley Davidson Street Glide in Midnight Blue. So it's an extremely deep blue color with a lighter blue flake in it. Really beautiful bike. We have a lot of chrome detailing, the Screamin' Eagle intake. We have rider floorboards and passenger pegs. 2-up seat, locking saddlebags. Nice big front fairing. Keep all that wind off of you on your commute. And a beautiful Harley Davidson Motorcoat Derby cover. We run on a fob, so we are keyless. And miles are only 8,325. We're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.